So we all ended up sleeping late today. We put the chickies in last night when it got dark. And it's 11:30. So anyway, they've been in there a long time. And everybody else is still sleeping. We stayed up until 3 a.m. watching a good show on Netflix. Come on, chickies. I know y'all been in there a long time. But, you know, that's just the way it rolls sometimes. Get that right. Come on. Oh, don't let me step on you. I tell you, chickies and duckies, when they stay in there a long time, they get hungry. They get really, really hungry. And thirsty as well. So they did have food in there, but they got water out here. And so look at those ducks. They love that water. There was clean water before. I mean, not this morning, but yesterday at least. And they're loving getting them a drink. Where's baby chickies? They still inside? Huh? Y'all big ones tell them to stay inside? Y'all get yourself a drink. Yeah, they were thirsty. Got thirsty, huh? Look at them getting their water down in there. Yeah, y'all were thirsty. Yeah, probably should have let y'all out when the sun came up. Oh, there's baby. There's little chickies. I should have let y'all out at 6 a.m., but I was sleeping. I was out. Hey, baby chickies, y'all need to come and get you some water too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there it is. Number 6. Hey, you sleepyhead. Hey, sleepyhead. Well, I've never seen such thirsty chickens. Thirsty chickens and duckies. Yeah, I was making a pot of coffee before I come out here. The coffee hadn't even finished yet. They have taken this compost and just scattered it all around. Some of this is, you know, like the stuff we put inside for them, you know, to keep their chicken coop dry. You know, the wood shavings and stuff, mixed in with other things. So I guess I'm gonna have to come out here for a rake and kind of pull all this out and kind of mix everything in with it and put it back. You know, just kind of give it another good turning and everything. I don't normally stay up that late. I'm normally in bed, you know, because I get up early and go to work in the mornings. I'm normally in bed by 10 at least. Sometimes 9. I see a lot of poison ivy out there. I need to get the mower and come in here and mow this down. Get all the dead limbs and stuff up out of here. Do something with them. Maybe put them in a wood pile. Look at them baby chickies coming. Oh, we're going to go under the fence. Alright, y'all want to eat my feet now? Okay. You got your drink. Now you're going to get something to eat. Yeah. Okay. Y'all go find you something to eat, okay? There's lots of bugs out here. There's a lot of little buggies y'all can go eat. A lot of grass, a lot of weeds, a lot of other stuff. Alright. Well, I'm going to go inside and get my coffee. Talk to y'all chickies and duckies later. Alright. Have a good day.